Welcome to all. Welcome to English class. In previous class, we discussed about alphabets or letters. There are 26 letters. 2, 6. 26 letters are there in the English alphabet. Now, let us know about few words. I'm Sachin, my friend. Where is she? Kumlamani.
Hi, ma'am.
Hi Kumlamani, how are you?
I am fine, ma'am.
Thank you. Now let us come to words. Now today we are going to learn about few words. Are you interested?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. What is word? Do you know anything?
No, ma'am.
That's okay, fine. I'll teach you. Words. We have 26 letters. Those 26 letters are made words. In the sense, 26 letters we are using and to form a word. The group of letters forms a word. Understand now?
Okay,
Group of
yes,
letters A, B, C, D till Z. Group of letters forms a word. Shall we start now?
Okay,
Are
ma'am.
you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
If you are ready, give me high five. That's perfect. A for Amma.
A for Amma.
Amma. Amma. Amma is a walking guard. Daily she take care of whole family. I like my mom. I like my mother. I like Amma. Do you all like?
Yes, ma'am. I also like my mother.
Very good, very good, very good. B for brother.
B for
Brother who plays with you, who accompanying you daily, right? He is your brother.
Brother.
C for classroom.
C for classroom.
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 What you will do in the classroom? You all will come to classroom. You will sit in your particular place.
Yes, ma'am.
Your ma'am will teach you. You will learn everything and you feel very happy. Later you will wind up to home. This is classroom. Understand?
Ma'am, not only we'll learn to write, read.
Everything,
stories,
yes,
everything,
correct.
ma'am.
We will learn rhymes, we will learn stories, we will learn all the subjects and we feel very happy.
Yes.
D for
D.
daddy.
D for
Daddy. I love my daddy. I know you all also loves your daddy, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, daddy who is a elder in the family. It can be grandpa also and it can be father also. He will take care of family also.
My father will bring and give everything for me, ma'am.
Yeah, toys and clothes. So many things,
ma'am.
books,
Whatever I ask, he
textbook.
will buy it,
Yes,
ma'am.
he is very lovable.
ma'am.
E for earth.
E for
Earth. What is Earth? Earth is a planet. Earth is a planet in the solar system. In the solar system, we have 8 planets. We have 8 planets. In that, one of the planet is Earth. In this planet only, all are living. Earth is a planet. In this Earth, we are living. Earth is a
planet.
That's perfect. Family. F for family.
F for family.
At your home, who all are there?
My mother,
Yes.
father,
Yes.
brother,
Yes.
sister, ma'am.
And you.
Yes, ma'am.
Includes you. This is a family. So many people lives together in a home. That is family. Understand?
Yes, ma'am.
F for
F for
family.
family.
G for
G for
globe.
globe.
It is a model. It is a artificial of earth. Understand? We cannot go to space. We can't go to show the earth. So this is a model. We can consider this is a artificial of earth. By seeing only we will come to know so many countries, so many continents were there. In the globe, everything have mentioned. Understand? E for
E for
earth.
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 F for
F for
family.
family.
G for
G for
globe.
globe.
Globe means just now we discussed it is a artificial model of earth. H for
H for
after the class what you will get?
homework, ma'am.
Exactly. Are you doing your homework properly?
Yes, ma'am.
In the line?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you using the cursive letters?
I am writing cursive.
Very good. High five with both the hands. That's perfect. Everyone have to complete your homework in time. Then only ma'am feel very happy and you will be appreciated. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
From today onwards,
I'll do my homework, ma'am.
you are doing very well. Very well. Daily you are doing. You all are very well supporting to teacher. Thank you for that. I for which is our country?
India, ma'am.
India. Bolo Bharat Mata ki.
Jai.
That's perfect. India. India is our country. Then let us move to the next letter J. J for jungle.
J for jungle.
Jungle means forest. Jungle means
Forest, ma'am.
all the wild animals lives in the forest. Lion, tiger, kangaroo, cheetah, leopard, rhinoceros, hippopotamus, like those animals lives in the
Ma'am,
forest.
tiger is our national animal.
Exactly
also, ma'am.
correct. I was expecting this from you. Tiger
Then-
is our national animal.
Then lion we call king of the jungle. No?
Yes, lion is a king of the jungle and we'll move to the next letter. K for you have one of the subject Kannada.
Yes, ma'am.
Right?
Yes, ma'am.
K for Kannada. K for
Kannada.
Kannada is a mother language of Karnataka. Kannada is a mother language of Karnataka. Kannada is also one of the language. Understand? Now let us move to the next letter. L for
L for
laptop.
laptop.
Comparing to computers, laptops are very familiar to everyone. What is the use of laptop? Computer means we have to go and sit there itself. Laptop means mobilities are available. What is the mobility? We can carry one place to another place.
Okay.
Computer, laptops. The revolution happened after computer. Then laptops newly introduced. Laptop also work as a computer. Laptop is also electronic device. Understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have your laptop?
Yes, ma'am.
Your papa have laptop?
Yes, ma'am.
Almost so many of them where they will be working with laptop due to this pandemic year. Just now we discussed about so many words. A for Amma, B for brother, C for classroom, D for daddy, E for earth, F for family, G for
Globe.
H for homework, I for
India.
J for
Jungle.
K for
Kannada.
L for
Laptop.
laptop. That perfect. I hope everyone is safer and you have learned lot of things in this class. Let us meet you all in the next online session. Till that, bye. We all familiar with words, right?
Yes,
Let
ma'am.
us recap of the words, and in this session let us discuss how to write in the 4 lines, because you have copywriting book, that is one is classwork, another one is homework, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So these all are the 4 lines we have to write, we have to follow the lines.
Okay.
A for Amma.
A for Amma.
B for brother.
B for brother.
C for classroom.
C for classroom.
D for daddy.
D for daddy.
E for earth.
E for earth.
F for family.
F for family.
G for globe.
G for globe.
H for homework.
H for homework.
I for India.
I for India.
J for jungle.
J for jungle.
K for Kannada.
K for Kannada.
L for laptop.
L for laptop.
If you observe properly, capital or upper cursive letters are touching three lines. Understand?
Okay.
Capital or upper cursive letters touching three lines.
Okay, ma'am.
If you observe the lower cursive letter or small cursive letters touching only two lines, means blue lines. In your book, red line, blue line, red line will be there.
Yes, ma'am.
Only few letters in lower cursive letter, few letters only touches the red line. Other than that, almost lower cursive letters touches in the blue line. Upside blue line, downside blue line. Now you understand how to write?
Yes, ma'am. I understand.
Can you
ma'am.
maintain like this neat handwriting in your classwork and homework?
Ma'am, I'll write neatly. Ma'am.
Very good. If you are writing like that, you will get star, good, everything. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, everyone have to write like this in the lines. While writing, concentrate on 4 lines. Understand? Let us learn how to read the words along with spelling.
Okay,
Are you
ma'am.
ready now?
Yes,
If you
ma'am.
are ready, give me high five. That's perfect. A for Amma.
A for Amma.
Now concentrate here. A-M-M-A. Amma.
A-M-M-A. Amma.
B for brother.
B for brother.
B-R-O-T-H-E-R. Brother.
B-R-O-T-H-E-R. Brother.
C for classroom.
C for classroom.
C-L-A-S-S-R-O-O-M. Classroom.
C-L-A-S-S-R-O-O-M. Classroom.
If you observe here, two S are there, two O are there. You have to pronounce both the S, both the O. Understand?
Okay, ma'am.
D for daddy.
D for daddy.
D-A-D-D-Y. Daddy.
D-A-D-D-Y. Daddy.
Here also two D are there. E for earth.
E for earth.
E-A-R-T-H. Earth.
E-A-R-T-H. Earth.
F for family.
F for family.
F-A-M-I-L-Y. Keep your finger and read here.
F-A-M-I-L-Y.
Family. G for globe.
G for globe.
G-L-O-B-E. Globe.
G-L-O-B-E. Globe.
H for homework.
H for homework.
H-O-M-E-W-O-R-K. Homework.
H-O-M-E-W-O-R-K. Homework.
I for India.
I for India.
I-N-D-I-A.
I-N-D-I-A. India.
India is our country. We have to be very proud of that. That is the reason I have mentioned the spelling in upper letters or capital letters. J for jungle.
J for jungle.
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 K for Kannada.
K for Kannada.
Kannada.
Kannada. Kannada.
Here also two N's are there.
Yes, ma'am.
L for laptop.
L for laptop.
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 Laptop. These all are